guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, hard to believe that it's already been a month, but it is time for another Stitch Fix video. I have no idea how many this has been now, but it is time for the March one. I'm trying to remember if I asked anything specific from my stylist. I don't think I asked for anything like specifically. I know I said send me more sleeveless because my wardrobe is like lacking in sleeveless. And I said stick with the spring feel. I said let's get away from winter. Even though it's still cold as a witch's tit and a brass brazier outside, I don't really want to be thinking about winter, so I don't want to add more winter things right now. So we're focusing on spring and sleeveless tops. I think those are the only things. So this month, Amber, okay, I got a shout out to my girl. She really does watch my videos, which is fantastic because she signed her letter as Amber, like literally A-M-B-A, Amber. Like I saw that and I Snapchatted it and I was like, my stylist is the best, y'all. Like that was hysterical. But yeah, so she is the best. Which fix is this? Does it say? Does it say somewhere where the fix number is? I found it. So this is fix number 11. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, we'll get to that in a minute. Interesting. All right, so yes. All right, let's just get into this. So the first item on this list, I actually pinned this item and it was like specifically from Stitch Fix, you know, showcasing their new spring stuff. And it is this gorgeous dress. Now the thing about this dress is that it's yellow, or the majority of it's yellow. It's offset by navy, except for my dumbass when I saw it in the picture thought it was black. And so I'm sitting there going like, those are my school colors, that's awesome. But then I got it in the mail and I was like, oh, that's navy. Oops. But it's still pretty. I just can't wear it to events at my alma mater like I thought I could. Oh well. But yes, the majority of the dress is yellow, and yellow is not necessarily my color, as you can tell by my pale as fuck complexion and my hair color. Yellow doesn't usually go well with this. I personally really think it looks good on me, but it is. Let me pull it out. All right, so here's what it looks like in person. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. It feels wonderful, but as you can see, it's definitely yellow and navy. But like some of my other items last month, I think I mentioned that I really like this type of stitching. It kind of reminds me of lace or like crochet. I love this dress. This is a dress I could wear to work as long as I have a cardigan, because apparently we're not allowed to wear sleeveless tops to a workplace. We have to wear cardigans over top of it because everyone wants to see my bat wings, but you know, whatever. But yes, very, not as flowy as the dress I got last month. It does, like, because of this waistline, it does have a little less give, but super adorable. More of that detailing at the bottom of the dress. I love the floral print. It is just a very nice looking dress. Like, you could dress this up, you could dress this down. I'm so glad I saw this and pinned it because it's a really nice dress. A very nice spring and summer dress. So yeah, this dress right here is the Auria embroidered dress from Pixley, and it is $74. That's really not bad for this nice dress. $74. Hello phone. Size small. I love this. Love this. Even though it's yellow. Which is awesome because I hardly have any yellow things because it doesn't normally look good with my complexion. Alright, next up we have an off the shoulder, ooh, something's in my eye. An off the shoulder top. I really like this top. When I saw the picture, as y'all know, I cheat, and when I get that email, I have to go see what items I'm getting. So when I saw the picture, I was like, that looks a little weird. Like sometimes pictures just don't do items justice. And so even in person looking at it, it looks a little, not odd or different. It just doesn't look something that I would go out and grab on my own. But on, it's super cute. It feels really nice. It's nice and light. So that's perfect for spring and summer. But yes, it is an off the shoulder. And this is the Snider cold shoulder cotton top from Collective Concepts. And it is a size small for $64. In my mind, these seem like steep prices for these items, but then I go in a store like Altered State, which is like my current favorite store, and they're pretty much the same prices, so I really can't bitch about prices. But it's gray and white, which I love gray and white. I just like, I ask for color and then I'm like black and gray, you know, whatever, to each their own. But it's got like little floral patterns all over it, and then it's got like this color block almost. So you go from a gray patterned striped like 3/4 of the top, and then all of a sudden it just goes to the bottom and it's just straight white. And it's super cute. I plan on wearing this to one of the many concerts I have this summer. Probably one of the ones that's like in July or August when it's really hot out. Maybe a little less to the rock and metal concerts because you never know when someone might spill something on you, especially when you're wearing white. So maybe to the Eagles concert that I'm going to. But I love this top and yeah, it's just really nice spring summer one. All right, so next up is a tank top and I just noticed that it's actually an extra small. Amber, did you mean to send me an extra small? Because it fits. I was just kind of surprised when I noticed it, that it was listed as extra small. Did you mean to send me an extra small? Because if you did, you gave me a boost of confidence, but just curious. But it is this Halter tank. It's blue and it's got this gorgeous pattern all the way down the front. Love this pattern immensely. Love the little tassels. The only thing that worries me about tops like this is if they come undone. I can never get them to look as nice as they did when I try and tie them back. So I'm sitting here going like, please don't fuck up, please don't fuck up, please don't fuck up. But I love this type of halter top. This will be really nice for concerts as well. I'm really in a concert mindset, can you tell? I have 10 concerts between April and September. That's all that's on my mind. This tank top doesn't give as much as all the other items I've gotten. It's still, I mean, it's still like a comfortable material. I'm still pretty sure it's cotton. It says it somewhere. I'm not gonna take the time to look. But as you can tell, it doesn't give as much as my other items do. But very comfy, very cute, very springy and summery. Love the pattern. And if you notice, it's like the tank itself is navy, but then you've got the white, but then it's like a lighter blue in the pattern. Love it. Love it. So cute. And this tank is the Donnie embroidered tie neck halter top by Market and Spruce, which I'm obsessed with Market and Spruce. I love their items. Size extra small and it's $58. Again, like I said, I hear $58 for a tank top and I'm sitting there going like, what? It's missing sleeves. Why is it that expensive? But again, you go in any store like Altered State or American Eagle, pretty much same price. So you can't bitch. Next is another tank top. Now this one, I saw the picture and I wasn't sure I was gonna keep it just because it seems like a plain Jane gray tank top, which I'm totally cool with, but I have a plain Jane gray tank top. Now, what's nice about this one, very flowy still, but it's like one of those side split ones where you can tie it, and I'll have it in the video over here where I show you wearing it, but like you can take the side splits and actually tie it to give it just a little something extra. Now, is it worth $44 extra? Probably not. Am I still gonna keep it? Yeah, because it's cute and I can't say no, apparently. Like, it's a real problem. This is a size small. It's the Vreelan side split knit top from Market and Spruce. Again, absolutely love Market and Spruce. And it's $44. Would I go out in the store and buy $44 tank top just because it has a little knot feature right there? Hell no. But again, trying to rebuild my wardrobe. So yeah, not really a good reasoning, but whatever. Bear with me. All right, the final item is one that I'm still debating on whether I'm gonna get. And it's not because of the item itself. Well, it is kind of. It's these white pants right here. Just some regular old white pants. And I've been needing a pair of white pants. However, I just bought a pair of white pants from Levi's. So you can kind of guess my thought. Do I really need 2 pairs of white pants? No, especially since this is kind of the real kicker for me. These pants are, where is it? These are the Liza skinny jeans by Lila Ryan, and I love the Lila Ryan pants. I do. They're super comfortable. I absolutely love how they fit. They're wonderful. But these are $98. I paid like $24 for my Levi's. So I'm really kind of sitting here going like, like, do I really need another pair of white pants, and I really need to spend $98 on them? So what's going to be the decision maker for this, because I do like these pants and they looked good. If you notice in the video, I wore them for all the tops. They looked good with everything. So the decision is gonna come from how much this whole thing is gonna cost me. So let's get into that. All right, so the stylist picks subtotal. All of this was $338. Yeah, that's a lot. If I buy all of them with the 25% discount, it would take $84.50 off, which I'm not gonna do that math in my head, just yeah. But apparently I have credit. I have $49 credit, which means people have been using my referral link to sign up for Stitch Fix. That's like, I wasn't expecting anyone to do that. Links below, by the way, in case you want to do it yourself. So $49 in that. So then you take $84.50 from 25% and $49 from promo, and the subtotal comes to $204.50. Like, that's something I can handle. That doesn't hurt me so bad. 5 awesome items for a little over 200. Like, that's pretty good. So that's why I'm sitting here going like, maybe I'll get the pants, even though they're 98 freaking dollars, and I just got a pair of white pants. But like, what if I want to go out with those white pants and something happens and I fuck them up? And I'm like, crap, I have to change my whole wardrobe. No, I got another pair of white pants. Like, that's my mindset for that kind of thing. I don't know. I'm definitely leaning towards getting all 5 items just because of the huge discount that I'd have. I'm sitting there going like, do I really need those white pants? No, but do I want them? Yes. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But that is it for my March fix. I'm very happy with everything, especially the dress. I'm really glad I pinned it because I absolutely love that dress. And when it finally decides to warm up here in Virginia, I cannot wait to actually wear it. But it actually has to warm up first for me to do that. That's fun. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you should give this video a big old thumbs up, a big one, biggin', and go on down there. Hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. Also, if you're very interested in Stitch Fix, my referral link is in the description below, and just saying, yeah. But until next time, bye guys.